In this video, I'm going to go over exactly how I like to use Performance Max campaigns to improve my search campaigns. Now, I've been working with Performance Max for quite a while now in terms of ecom and lead gen, and particularly with lead gen, it's come on leaps and bounds. As long as you use it correctly, there is some certain tactics and some methodologies that you need to use in order to gain quality leads through it, because it can churn out a load of crap. So you need to make sure you're tailoring the algorithm, you're directing it in the correct direction so you can generate the top quality leads. Now, I've done a video which will be linked on the screen here where I go over how to improve lead quality with Performance Max, so make sure to watch that one. But in this one, I'm going to say the number one way I love to use Performance Max campaigns is because of the Insights tab. Now, first of all, what we want to do is have a correct structure. Now, this is an example strategy you can use. So what we're using here is PMax top of funnel, basically. Okay, so it's PMax top of funnel and middle of funnel, and what it's broken down into is 2 TOF asset groups, which are just targeting my top performing blogs or answering some FAQs that the user has. And the reason I'm targeting this is because I am searching for people in the decision making process when they are information gathering, because they want to know they're getting the best bang for their buck and that they should use your service or your competitors. And now it's very important to address these questions and be the person there, so you're always at point of authority and you're always showing up. That's why I like to use that. And then I also like to use 2 MOF asset groups, which are basically my top performers search ad groups. I do this so I can get a mix of MOF and TOF campaigns. And then basically we have our standard search campaigns here. But what we're going to do basically from this campaign here is harvest our insights, and we're going to recycle it into our search campaigns here by creating new ad groups. So let's go on to a campaign here, and I'll show you why I like it. So I have a Performance Max campaign selected here, and when we go down here to the consumer spotlight, this is where you can see a lot of new search categories showing up within your campaign. Now, one thing I like to do down here is just go down and harvest it quite frequently. You want to see what is showing up and what are people actually searching for. And one way we massively improved our performance of our campaigns here is we identified that people are searching for examples. So this was a software where I can't really say too much about it because of client confidentiality, but people wanted to see examples. They want to see real life sort of examples and case studies how you can use this, and that's what we harvest from our search categories in here. So from that, we went back to the client, we said, okay, what we're seeing is a lot of search demand for examples. We need to have these included on the website within the landing page, and we're also going to recycle that into our search campaign ad groups. Okay, because if you use PMax and search campaigns, as long as you're using exact match keywords in your search campaigns, they will take priority over your Performance Max campaigns. So you won't be fighting against each other. So just for reference, we go to our Performance Max campaign here, then on the left hand tab here, we go to Insights, and then we scroll down to the bottom and you have your consumer spotlight here, which shows your search categories. And under here, you can even drop this down and it gives you the exact keywords people are using. And I go through here and I find, okay, that's a new sort of keyword or a search term I could use, and I recycle it into my search campaigns. It's a very simple strategy, but it works wonders. Okay, guys, I hope that was useful. I'll see you on the next.